Hi, I'm James Turner, the lead designer at myislanddesigns.com. And what I'm about to show you is going to forever change the way you think about website design. If you're interested in our services, you can call us at 321-301-4797 or visit our website, myislanddesigns.com. Okay, here we're going to start on the login page. Just enter your username, your password, and log in. We've reached the dashboard where you can access all the settings for your website, but we're going to focus on the pages today. So click on the pages link here on the left. Now these are the pages in your website. You could choose any page, but we'll just start with the first page, About Us. Now we've reached the back end. This is the My Island Designs Builder, and it lays out pages using blocks. The blocks can be moved around any way you like. You see there are sections, rows, and you can place any number from 1 to 4 columns inside the rows. Inside any column, you can insert modules. Here we have blurb modules. At the top, there's a slider. We have a text module, bar counters. There are team member modules. Here's a call to action module. You'll notice that the call to action is green. That signifies a global element. Now, global elements appear the same on every page. So if we were to include this on, say, 100 pages, we would only need to update the module on one page, and those changes would be reflected throughout the website. It's a real time saver. So let's get back to the top here and see where the real magic occurs. The backend builder, it's a really great way to build websites, but it's not for everyone. The visual builder is a really great way for new website designers or for businesses to edit their own site. So click Use Visual Builder, and it's going to load the front end Visual Builder. You'll notice that the front end Visual Builder looks exactly like a normal web page. The only difference is when you hover over any item, you'll see settings appear. Those settings control the sections, the rows, and individual modules. Now, some of the changes need to be made in the modules, but many of the changes can be made simply by, for example, highlighting text, which allows you to bold it, quote it, color it, change the font, just about anything that you want. Very similar to using an email or Microsoft Word, something like that. So you notice I made some changes there. We could change other things like the color very easily just by clicking within the page, and all of the changes are made in real time. So that way you don't have to guess how your changes are going to look. You can see it in real time. Down here at the bottom, we have the settings. We can click on that to see all the settings available. One of the good ones is editing history. Click that and you'll notice the blurb we edited. You may not like the design there. It didn't really look the way you want, so let's just undo that. Now we're back to when we loaded the pages. Click the check mark to save your changes, and we can start all over again. All right, let's start here at the top to see how this all works. This is a slider, but it only contains one slide. Maybe you want 2 or 3 or more sliders. It's very easy to add them. Click the module settings here, and you'll see the first slide. Now, you can add a new item, which is a slide, or you can duplicate an existing item. And that sometimes helps with formatting. So you can create the first slide, get the text size and the formatting the way you like, and then simply duplicate it. So let's do that. We're going to duplicate it, and now you see we have a second slide. Now click the little cog icon here, and we're going to edit the second slide. Now, this is the heading that you see here on the page. So we can simply change that to about My Island Designs. We can change the text of the button to Contact Us. We could also change the URL, the background image, or anything else we'd like. Just click the upload and we can select a new background image for our second slide. So let's just select this one. Now, after you've made all of your changes, simply save the changes and we can look at how it looks. And there's our second slide. Very easy, as you can see, to make the changes. Now we're going to go down to the blurbs. Blurbs have an icon or an image at the top here, and a title and text. You can change these quite easily by accessing the module settings. So click on the module settings and then we can add a new icon. So here you see our list of icons. And if you don't like the icon, just pick a new one. Let's put in a timer. As you can see, in real time, the changes were made. Don't like the timer, we can select any of the icons, and as soon as you click the icon, you can see it changes. So you can find the icon that really works for your page. Now perhaps you don't like the color. As you can see, there are additional colors available, and you can enter custom colors if you like. Just enter the appropriate hex code and it will be a custom color. So let's just change it to purple and save it. As you can see, we have a purple icon. And it's very easy and very fast to make all of these changes. So we can very quickly and very easily change the entire section and put all new icons of any color you like just by clicking the settings. The text module, as I said, works very simple. You just highlight the text, edit the text as you normally would in any type of document. Let's just get rid of a little bit of that text. Let's change the heading here, make it a little more bold, and give it a nice color. There you go. Here are the module settings for the bar counters. You can click the settings here and we can change any of the counters we like. Very similar to the way the slider works. You can duplicate them, delete them, or add new. It's that easy. And as you see, the changes appear in real time. Percentages, titles, everything appears in real time. Now we can change the color of the bar counters here. If you don't like the blue, we can go with red, yellow, green, any color you like. Simply click here to change the colors. The advanced design allows you to change the backgrounds. So perhaps you like a different color background. It's very easy to do. Perhaps you don't like all of them being the same color. It's no problem. As you can see, it's very, very easy to change. You can even change the percentage color. Any color you like can easily be applied. Now this allows you to create truly custom pages in a very short period of time. Now we're going to go on down to the team members. Now these are 3 modules for team members. You can have as many as you want. A single module, you can have 2 columns, you can have 3 columns, 4 columns. It's all up to you. So let's just change one of those. Now this is where you've changed the image. We can upload a new image for our team. Just click it, select the new image, click upload, you have a new image. As you can see, it's going to be best to choose similar sizes of images to keep everything nice and even, but that's purely up to you. You can choose any images you like. Now you can see here we have team member 1, company role. We have the URLs to their Facebook, Twitter, Google, and LinkedIn accounts. We have the text. They can all easily be changed right here within the module. And the text can also be changed here. Just depends on how you like to work. Now here you have the global module we were speaking of from the back end. Once again, you can make the changes simply by clicking on the module, accessing the settings. If you don't like the text, you can just change it here. Now bear in mind, a global module is going to make changes to every page that module is included on. So if I changed this text, then every page this module is included on, that text will appear the same. Now back to the settings. We can delete layouts. We can save layouts. So if you create a page that you like and you would like to use it, say like a template for other pages, it'll help speed up the website design process. It'll help speed up creating new pages, and it most importantly lets you create a very unified website. All of your content is laid out in a very similar manner. That will help your visitors find the content they're looking for much faster. So you can click here and you can add it to your library. Now just give it a unique name so you can easily find it, and you can save it to your library. And then when you're creating new pages, you can easily access that information again by just clicking here. And you can load any existing layout into the page. These are your predefined layouts, and here are layouts that we have created. So if we clicked on one of these layouts, it's going to replace all of the content on the page with the layout that you add. So just click on that and you're going to notice the page just completely changes. But we can always go back, and that's the great thing about the builder. We can undo everything we did all the way back to the beginning at any time. Now, when you're done making all the changes, you see the save button over here, click save. Well, that concludes our tutorial. If you'd like to know more, please visit our website, myislanddesigns.com, or call us at 321-301-4797. We'd be happy to discuss it more. Thank you for your time, and you have a good day.